I will show how to buy shares of Stora Enso Oyj, step by step. Stora Enso is a producer of renewable packaging, paper, and biomaterials that trades on CBOEEU as STERV.HE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker STERV.HE to find the listing. Select the matching result to ensure you have located the correct Stora Enso share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to check recent activity. Confirm the issuer details to make sure this is indeed Stora Enso Oyj before proceeding. Click Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For more information and a link to eToro, see the description below.